Hi, my name is Andy and I run an agency called Invalshoek. We specialize in technical marketing and helping B2B companies get more value from the CRM and marketing technology. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to integrate Dealfront lead feeder with HubSpot and how custom feeds can automatically qualify your website visitors and route the best accounts to sales. Let's start with a problem. You're probably running campaigns and driving traffic to your website. But here's the catch. About 98% of those visitors never fill out a form. In HubSpot, that means they remain invisible. Your CRM only shows form submissions. Valuable accounts slip through the cracks. Dealfront solves this. It identifies which companies are visiting your site, what content they're engaging with, and how closely they match your ICP. With the HubSpot integration, all of that data, visits, firmographics, and intent signals, flow directly into your CRM. The real power comes from custom feeds. You can create feeds based on your ICP, so industry, geography, company size, or high intent behavior like visiting your pricing or meeting request pages. Every company that matches is automatically tagged and pushed into HubSpot, so sales sees only the right accounts. More importantly, doesn't see any accounts that aren't a good fit. And here it gets even better. With custom feeds, you can use automation. For example, when a company visits your meeting request page, you can tag them as high intent, sync them to HubSpot, and instantly send a Slack message or an email to the account owner. That way, your team is notified the moment a HubSpot prospect engages with your website. Now, let's see how that works. In Dealfront, select your feed, let's say meeting requests. You can add rules and automations. So we already have a rule here for adding a tag high intent. Our next action is to send the accounts to HubSpot. And you can also choose to automatically create a deal or create tasks for a new account in that custom feed. And you can also choose to send a Slack notification. So choose a channel, for example, Dealfront notifications, and choose your frequency, so daily, weekly, or whenever a new company appears. It's simple to set up, and once done, it runs in the background for you. Now, once those tagged accounts arrive in HubSpot, you can use workflows to route them to the right owner, update lifecycle stages, and trigger follow-ups. For example, you can build a workflow that says, if the Dealfront tags is high intent, then assign to a sales rep. In this case, I've assigned it to myself. Then set the lifecycle stage to marketing qualified lead. And set an internal email notification to the account owner, in this case myself, to tell me that there's a new high intent account visiting my website. This ensures sales acts while intent is fresh. But there's another powerful feature. Dealfront can identify when a company that already has an associated deal in HubSpot comes back to your website. So if they're checking your solutions or pricing pages or meeting request pages, that's a signal. It gives the deal owner a perfect cue to reach out because the buyer is showing fresh interest right now. This is exactly how SOA People, a leading SAP consultancy, improved their process. The Dealfront and HubSpot connected. They gained real-time visibility in intent, aligned sales and marketing, and focused only on high-fit accounts. Their marketing manager told us, using the HubSpot dashboard, we now have a comprehensive overview of website visitors in real time. It helps us identify potential new customers and analyze the effectiveness of our campaigns. When you set this up, you can expect better qualified leads because you're filtering based on real intent, faster follow-up with automated alerts to sales, richer insights into which campaigns drive real accounts, and more efficient teams. Because nobody wastes time chasing the wrong leads. To wrap up, with custom feeds in Dealfront and automation in HubSpot, you can turn anonymous website visitors into qualified opportunities. It's a lean, practical setup that helps marketing run smarter campaigns and helps sales close more deals. Thank you for watching.